WTI, I got this dress and I absolutely love it. This dress is amazing. It's so comfortable. It's lightweight, very flowy, and it has pockets. All the girls know a dress with pockets is amazing. If you want to layer it, you can, because it's very loose fitting. So if you want to bundle up under it, you could definitely do that. The pattern and the contrast is just really, really awesome. It also comes in kid sizes. I got my daughter one, so we can be twinning. We love matching. So fun. If you're looking for a nice comfy dress that you can wear in the summer or in the winter, if you just put on a jacket, pop on some stockings, and it'll just be so nice and warm and cozy and very comfortable. So I would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.